Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to start using a premium and authentic Shilajit resin, you have to check out this one I got from Siberian Green. This is a Golden Mountains purified Altai Shilajit. It comes from the highest altitudes in the Altai Mountains. And I found that with consistent use, I have more energy and kind of an overall feeling of well-being. So this bottle actually has 400 servings in it, and the recommended dosage for this is just the size of a dried rice grain. And I love that they send you an implement so that you can actually get the right amount. So if you've never tasted Shilajit before, it has a strong, bitter, almost smoky-like flavor to it, kind of like having a really, really strong cup of coffee. What I like to do is get a little bit on the implement that they send, and then I just eat it straight off of that. And I'll chase it with a little bit of honey, but you can also incorporate it into a warm beverage, not hot, but warm, and it will integrate into that pretty well. I found that sometimes the lid can get a little bit stuck because of the resin being so sticky. So I'll just run it under some hot water for a few seconds and that loosens it up really well. I'm not a medical provider, so if you're considering using this, then I definitely recommend checking with yours. I'm really pleased with the results that I've seen with using the Siberian Green Shilajit on a regular basis, and that's my point of view.